your friend Obapa Jimfua. Uncle. Beautiful song. Bringing time to 28 after 3. Uti Adom 106.3 FM. We are Ofie Kwanso. Good afternoon. Bibia Boko there. Empono emutu saying. Mijidi ye se bibia ye. Yende radi ase won pempe so de adure. Patron na Tuesday. Na enano me no eye adwuma kakra bi. Se de ye no Tuesdays bia no. Ye ma akwanya no. Na watimi ene abo enkomo kakra. Na tie me patro. Ene ye focus no ye de ko aware emu nsem pa. Na ye wo opani ba ko a no kure ni wa ben ya eneme fa afisem ho asetena mu ni ade nyina waresem odi mu akotene pa. Na empempi no utie obi asem na wo hwa amane obi fam in a relationship bia atoda obi say eh na we di otrane ba bia na nke ya na se dien ebi ya te sem obi mpo di aware no nyanware ye nyanware ne ye but treatment awo fam wo abrantie bi nsa no treatment bi oba bi de mano no eya homete wo way forward no any saying eni papi na timi de sam show mu aye enye hwe oh media manyame dakrona na the BCSC. We want you to voice it out. Feel free. Neka wasem no. But ubetimi keep your identity no. Se oma obi enhunu se eyewo onipa semesi anase obenten. Etu de opa ofra. Se the last week here no. Location baby a free no de one kasa se odin de sense odin se eye. Nemum counselor kukudami tie nsem ni nyina na ya hwemwa ye betimi de aboa obi ho no mu a problem na awokomu no anka solution ye kitwa bi but ono de hunu se ye kese ne ha no se de so se de tie nie ade ne epira no ekunu nanso oni eho akwankyere bia anu no te ho na owu ebia nanka ade baako mienu miensa bi pe ebe kan ho a anka bibia to betimi atwa nanka setra na ye nige nanka ye fe na ye se de awurade hwehwe no na nkoye de otamfo no epeni bi no ada bia wo hyedem mu ana wusu obi pie na okwa adwuma mu a uhu nani mu a nani age. But I said those days ni susu na eko school no unyati now the day is over na chese ne homeward bound. But obi ohono a when the day is over, instead of going home with joy, now kobeko do na sweetheart, oh how was work today, how was your day ni ade no, it is not like that. And you pon adwuma akra no gu so te office wo aso ye part time enso obi an share no because okofie eye fire okofie eye oja eye nsem bebre etia basa ani geni poni ho to go back home. Maybe you are in a similar situation, you are in a similar relationship. Ye pese ye hwe na ye boabo because ye hu se sa neman epria nkrofo bebre. And more productivity so call for because obi timi betna office, especially what public institutions are doing, you know. What office be so obi nya adwuma ma. When you only punish but no ofifie ba no only good mood mu no dia betna office wo. And then you put na a was out 2 million so professional say who say let me put this part of my life away. Me you way fi me madwuma esem emu. Enti oba no abetna office no why moody. fa we bra kra no akofa de foforo otetete osa na 5 pm abo na wapon ontimi nya hwe emfaso an kese se oman ni timi nya wo nipa kro no so no oman ni nya sa faso ni mfiri onipa no so, all because that person is in a bad relationship, all because things are not going well for that person. As I say, yes, I am here kakra. So now every Tuesday biano, a person ye the platform no more. Ye your platform no, ye di na ye ma omwa aben no mo akwada. Ye on betimi aboa wo. E wo sa asetena mu nsem ati se yi no, omwa aboa akeka niema ato yi na asumdwe atimi aba. Obi won mo ware enche, but problem o womu no. Obi a wa worry for so and so years kura ehu bisada. Sometimes ebi onipa no ni sune ne ban bi ne ye bi ne ade bi anka ebia unya obi a wo mu nimde e wo musuahunu eboa mo akwankyere ba ko mienu miensa bia anka betimi aboa sesa nema na so wote ho saa na epira wo mini relationship awom e could be sa brand no afempo na one ne hihya ware but wo hunyema ba ko mienu miensa bia saa de no etetew wo hwa utimi se enkoyie nanso aye se unhunu kwan a wonfa emfa so. The person ma akwanya no ene awie yi se frɛ yen o problem no ene sen obi akohye no ho akonfo, obi akuno ho just because onipa one ne wo ho no afa nachi be market cheaper na ne yire a wate sika e dia ne ho ade ne netena ene be ma fofo akoda na enuti ama be ma no akune ho. We enye the best solution to the problem. We need you alive. The person what nase. Whatever the situation. Dear you say dear na say. Dear you say we the baby ad neguna jegu. There's no help anywhere. Baby adu could do the edianum guasia na ebro no. To boase obi de eche wo de no. So why do you take your life? E wa bram wa why beat me de aboa. Baby a mana to me nche bia na wafre eni nkomo emodi nkyerɛ ka problem ne kyerɛ deɛ o face e wo sa relationship no. Tell us about it na ya counselor yi emwa bia wo bia sese yetimi de boa na ye solve sa problems no or the someone in Adom. And mind you say individually obia wo a specific solution between a problem. Ebi a wo problem no e kwan e be fa so solve no e different from obi foforo de. Enti anya say generalization say generalize ade na ka so we enti munye si da bi. Ese say obi anti ne counselor na kasa to make time for the people with such problems. Na am warm. Obi okra going to see a counselor, going to see a professional counselor punu aboa no onim how to go about it. We are taking that sweat. Yen ye fasa or how near manini na and ye see yen yes. Na ye diamond on your behalf. Sebeya onso ubetimi nyeniji. Sebeya onso asetinum ebetimi akoyi at diamond. Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM. Na yede aseda be my proud sponsors almost so ya cinema itimi de offend kan ni radio e bro e Ofie Kwanso medie so na edu Tuesday say India na chese no akoye confessions ntino o friend na wa confess ya kan de no e bia won so kra wo tie no you are the problem and na mo so tina problem about relationship no. Feel free, tell us about it. Say bia de wa ye nie etiama se oba no kra no ohun sa de nti no on person bedo obiem se de kan no do ana e bia oba won so de wakoye nie etiama se ukunu kra odo a wo de ma ene gidi o wo mu no kra eso ate. We can help you out. na yahwe kwan be fa so ade bi a wakoye a enye e bi kura wafa okunu achi ama na chew ana kura wakohu text message bi akan ama se no ama na adwi mu ani tantanti I say onyi undi. If you are the problem krana katren paimu kan kore no na yenhwe emwa ebetimi e de aboa. Ye fast that can say Emma Kojak Pharma Limited on my the original pro code. Ya the Ekutia flu and a fake code. Patrol amount for imitation maybe ukrum 2 time when now net original no and a fee Kojak for and chain KOJACH and a logo no ebon pro code papa. Almost my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. There ye Udi adia de peace now sefin femo adia share na adia enu actually pa you can't stand it sane money na no obomodia ma onsa eka Kojak F toothpaste and then the mouthwash bia ebebo atu ase as a kobasa odi and they very severe pa oh yeah now you are hurting o sene kwadu baby a paste o say and now brush o say moja bi ba ne ade no obe use Kojak P toothpaste and then a mouthwash. Now, what you soon say continuously for 4 weeks. Actually, no, I switch it to Kojak F. Open best result. I know where you use Kojak sensitive toothbrush no at the account. Nina are available. Our pharmacy shops are doing in to phone more pedo door and for money share Kojak Pharma or Kanshi drug lane. Sounds like bit me out free 0249 209 920 and I'll 0260 870 780. If you're not so as today, you are Yemfa Emma. DBS Industries Limited on my DBS roofing sheet. Color length plus roofing sheet. Pre-coated roofing sheet. Patro roofing sheet are losing content woman AZ 150. The account market now between AZ 30 and AZ 15. To watch difference now teams and pa. We are the top class quality materials. Any idea? Nesanti over to be 18 more 20-year warranty or chances because we believe in our roofing sheet say a last power. Color na in feedy and peel off. And put on campus a chance, arrested. A different share on the expenses road, never budget chance, papa before board now. So, best I enjoy 5% discount also at the account. Obey to me, our friend 0240 844 444, a face 0204 344 561. Now, only Edding Town. And a guaranteed trust banks, I mean, country or no, any the most innovative and technology advanced banker. On our bed for Kwanso editing you media hodo enina or say bomodia say on so bit me aba na ya connected to say be now bit me a transacted business with a bank on your mobile phone wa brown co banking ho in waste time crowd bit me be account on your mobile phone what me crash asan share a link account no with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Guaranteed Trust Bank Bread branch BMuna Yambuana, any unique town, and quite bit me out fast or now. So simple banking for every Ghanaian. Convenient banking, papa, with me a part of it. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Afe, if you are not so, as they do, no. Young Farmer Trust Limited. Am I Healthy Link? Hair, nails, and skin. Yeah, just an unya be bar. Ebo ama skin e yefe na more renso fufefefe kama na otimi so no ni na adimu fefefe kama de ama na just why complete afi oba o pese won utimi gina yie na be ma de ho kan wan che bia na watimi afo yafunu e boost fertility pa na esan eboa ema immune system ahode ma pabam improve blood flow na se be na obenya heart related problem there e brena se kra almost so adu omo menopause no so no problems how do I almost form ni no Healthy Link menopause tablet ehwe e reduce ni na kra etu ase se be ya almost betimi enyom found e available pharmacy shops how do ni nyinam do pa no Pharma Trust pharmacies how do ni nyinam no obenya do bia ohia bia e de afi omo nchen. Right, enti yan kwa omana so na yene counselor Oscar CP ini nkitaho na fi yewia ya mo akwanya na wonso atimi afre na problems no ya kan ho asem. Counselor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Na me patcho hunamu boko de.
Na me Adom na so.
Yen so ye ho ye wa ha pa. Ewie ni je se yen sa kan wa na enim se going forward no Tuesdays no kwan bebam na waba studio na fi ja yenna yetiti nsem na baabi esese yede to ne mmoa esese yede moa boa omanfo so no wadaama wo de no so asom yen na de ye pa ahwe aye nyina na me se ye no adi nkomo kakra ne mumu no se omanfo wo problems especially in relationships outdoor na obi won mo problem ni timi bro no so ehye ne so ama to the extent so onipa nkwa betimi akunu ho se abrantie die ana ye kan se one ne yire wo ho na wanyante yese ne yire no afa nachi ene be ma foforo ehye ho na no ho oyaw enti ontimi nyina no nim se bia ede anim gu ase abetuno so nti no ono ankasa akunu ho afia asase so minim se adwuma wo ye de watetete nsem bia ti se impo ne de chen se ye ni nyina mu no ho afutuo ho a omanfo de omonsem ne ba obetimi anya no ye ene kwan a obetimi anya ene kasa kire de amom na we na etimi de asundwe aba
me da say and me chiefo nyina first of all because of the ejumana meye no that's what we call confidentiality intimeno whether radio or TV so no me ma examples because once the many cases you know who can't me training na me travel this na me oh nipa see ya sometimes more with you but you know that you are the one I'm talking about.
Yes.
Now when you continue to say yes no people then lose trust in what you are doing. They are not even ready to share their deep secrets with you.
Yeah.
So as much as possible, no, those who know me on your other sister network near there, no, me examples. I don't do that.
Yeah.
I will say what I'm supposed to say. Adom, with what I know, what I've learned. And then answer na dear mama no. Papa se meka se o, ena minimum bi, ena nikunu yesi, ena niyiri yesi, ana so ni obi namna yesi no. That area ne menko because of issues of confidentiality. Yeah.
Eno de eye pa a good pa because sabi nipa no yegumu ahodo nye obia na ya na enema bi wa wutimi ekurekura mi enti wanya dide o mu se bia obeka na asem a kire so obeboa na fi obetena wo ma example bi mo ni di mo de ba to timi se we de masem ya na counselor yi kan e ba sa pe na abambu abam.
And you should be able to have you see there's what we have done which is the oath of secrecy. You taking oath of secrecy no maybe we are encounter bonting nti no dia I want to be person kind of first so that me person along the lobby so na council say only am for delay there only we share that no man media main can I will come in with what I'm supposed to do, give the advice, do whatever Nyamiaduma can do, but pass and make us be able to humita say there. Because what is still is here, no, so can be not from because we tell Islamic. Minyo says about it.
Debbie.
Because the couple be complaining. You see, and it's not helping them to be out. In the couple PBB, no more committee suicide.
I said them one
because the people suffer. We could cast them channel. Now the budget public do not come out. Don't worry. I just want to say that one first.
Okay. All right.
So that be all pushing me my examples. I will not give example.
I say, counselor. Right. Yeah. Better was into the hold you on mine now. Yeah. Your mouth phone kasana fi share problems dibina you can de be faso. All right. It 0302216561 0302216562 0268499347. We any lines na ye dey adwuma say dem di kan no there's no need say o kan sem na chen no obebo din ana location be bia wo na obi ehu say wo na wo kote be atisemu ana wo problem atisemu. We want to find a solution for that problem now one. That is the main focus, but not to say be hu there be no there the parents and when you come on membo din any baby our kasa free o de oba na no o che wi a go straight to the point. Tell us your problem. Adia how adia tetew in your relationship. O aware no e betimi aba se bi kura e yempna atwen e nan nyane ya ware but e be a problem bi any ade. Let us know about it. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, brother.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It is saying
brother, me pato asama wo kan die. Me die ade Maria etwem. Dem no na me na ya shisha wa we se e be wa we wo Kumasi e na no timo akra ha. E brother yi me tie no me ba no so na be ma na ko wa we oba fufuro. But wa wa we oba fufuro no na wo. O wa we wie no ati no tirema problem oba no di ni fam ni ade no. O tete pa enti no o pese o san be wa we me back. Me ba o ka no yire no. Na me so me Kristo ni no. Ni sro se me ta ko ta wa we so ni. Now to birthday problem a me face a ho chira birthday ni gina ha. Me dan ta ma so a me kwa ko tie sika 18 million. Now to birthday 18 million kwa me hu bi da. Me nye bi wo sem se da. A ho chira ntimi wo se that because of sika sama me pay tia me dan ka me nyi ma je ya me se me nti ase ma boy no ana se me nya den ti a be hu le me no ti me sira mo so me se wa me afa me bi hu a
you ya te wasem ne mo wo pa che se ono na hihye ho a munya nware ye
hello fantastic
ono na ewo ho a ono wa hihye ware ba munya nware ye e na ono oba foforo ko ware ko wo ye no and as I say, when we say our bano, as it's an M1, Intino, one anka, as I saw your wife, Intino, person or while a cancer or bano, but or Baba can unyane. Not as all by a second wife, no. Okay, but the only need babia. Okay, all right, you, Yatu was some wine today, Koswana, iti. And also I just say evetwas na yafa obifofo na eja eti ono so asem a odinam
Jim FM.
Right, so 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 0268 499 347. We any numbers now be to me afraid na also what they was aba na say they can no and what be a counselor be to me the amount ya just someone at the amount your professional counseling pa at the amount. Hello.
Yes.
Me pacho me mo akwaba.
Yes, ja.
You say bibia boko there.
Boko.
All right, you do it.
Me pacho me yewe. Me post ipai. Me post na me yewe. Me femo obi repayment na say. Na me bana me wo no na me hia boy. Se mama no kofa. Madam for tobe kwa me na me kofa. Me ne tonight say. No worry. Esi na me na wo me no aka. So no in our worry. So I'm also worried or womba. Or your womba. Nana, this is a shiny yapa baby. What can be dear? But say, this is a could be some year, me could be some year and near Bacana. I won't dream, they do it saying. No, but they are a dog. I am a dread, mamma. And one dance. The pastor, I mean, no ready you about the towers.
Me bow. Me ba. Me pacho ho. What's it now we call school and now only obi nyem ye. Uwe secondary school no. Ena me ba uwe secondary school no. Ena wonyem ye. Na obema na onyem no ono a na akire wasan ne wa wo biem no bema foforo but ukofa no na unim se owoyere waware na woni ono so abewu mienu And as I say, no, Ubisa ni Bibia, or suggest a Wakubisa and Arianza. Nere and Prince were all from Mount.
Even my cousin, baby, auntie, even at a campo, may Cotibina or one of Senamada. But Miniska, and so better no baby or no, I called and send Papa. I'm troubled.
Said you'll be troubled because yeah, Isa. All right, you yate wants was some adding. Na we know there may mean your counselor Juma Manu Mudio, but say be Ochiano. Now what you mean not now first one, our second one. Now names a nipa na worry. Eh. If you been away, so we should be as with me watch the show. Anyway, said the man can mean your counselor Jumano man, but I say my drink a crowd and I make it. Right, your first day do on so much transition. The funeral people almost so young fa as that a mom almost so a can't be no boy in my day or find you a bro. Me pacho or this ye be a few more. Se be na beat me a crack run a china fe kama na ashe mi onyamono transition omni beat me a crack run and kama diama obi hon mo anu kura nyam yenim ni otias na ho fe pa na wafiri mu ya deda no ukɔhwɛ mu pa se de onipa animu ayeda watim se da bi wan akrakra ne ye wodi gya hye transition fonsa from the one onipa no beto from ye be wo nrunru ne ade adandan na wo mochwe na mog wa ma bibia ye fine kopem da be ko yi na ba be dida no asa akra twini nya de akwamusi na se bibia di mu fefefe ye bibia fe wodi abra ya so ye ho hachu wa bowura watim se ampa baby efe on transition the funeral people and a member of the enterprise group yen any beboa was akonya we so. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Boko there.
Adom.
Nice. Me pacho into you.
Pacho. No so na me ya kwala but madam bi me ko ashemia mameni. For now no popi me pese or worry me I can't me
bawo. Oh no. Usano ena obi one ne yere omo no mo ahwe wa ma waduru ba bia wadu yi
patrai
na sisi papa ne pese o ware o kan yere ho
patrai
na ne yere ne ya we de
patrai
na du betimi ahwe ma mi ya wa fa wo se ne ba tete wa de abeduru si ahwe wa bedu si na de oda ho kakre unso what koda ho bisa
budgery needs me bet
papa no so more pressure on
pressure
na what is the relationship between one and yere no one and yere in term to saying
they're fine
more fine. If she's somebody you can confide in, I then I won't try to talk to her na ebia o hwa wan na kote afaso.
Oh, I want to say be na the confusion about me wo me room be wona papa no abane ade.
Okay.
Mama na me yemahye.
Me ba o. Ene I said you huma me na o yemahye papa wa use pain. Papa no na ye bibi pain.
Pacha daddy.
O chese o make you advances bia say o pese o ne oda.
Oh, I'll try.
So musa ne ade a.
It's me page at the whole room. It's so. My try on him program na me fra me sanka. I said me free as a car.
Oh, there be men kase wo free as. There be to boss. To boss bibia anu aduru ho. Wo free as no nya no na solution to the problem. Why? It you know. And the men wins adwin akransa but yene counselor be kasa ti e be hwe mo a obetimi di aboa. Why?
Roger mo boa me pa na kese. Yate.
man so ya ne du baby a bi so ye ho ya homete ade one prince one na we na na o chef na ya we I say obi enye krakum ko repeat ni bi no just on wait me adanda na ma ne wa kama de ne obi ku arepreko I can say hello me pacho good afternoon boko there
yes Adom
yo me pacho yenti you
if I saw we no hami pa na akwa dem man me ne worry ba oko school
case no
the case no
one be man no
worry me ne to see ya worry to see ya ba oko school boy oko university na me call market buy no we dem pictures na e din say wa worry every dining mu nyina and I'm saying say I didn't know yes no say na dan for bi ba besra no na wakati na dan for ni say oni yire na dan for ne ba ni kawa na say me no enfan guo na dan for ne ma ni hu say owo yire nti o kan ne sa no na me say I na bibi ni awon kan tre me ansa na waye nti kama ma mbeto a me ba na nka waye de obeya ria na Makashi, and I'm Gani by and I'm here ringing them Pia wanting to more demo.
To was you, not down for now, or Babes, or your bar.
Or your bar. Aha. And she asked I'm even giving Pia and I'm in Pia John one, John or demo on the Pia wanting. Me got now wanting, I said this anime so. You can all go into the Pia wanting, not see how okay, Makashi and Chester. Into one money to need to go just stand a coin. And non think that. It's not me say Biana, I want me woman in na oya sana. It's in the fire funu when I'm being saying and I'm a warrior. After the demon was not from catcher and say or pure catcher and say, will be Buffy ornaments when Yakola in PM free dining.
Eh. A fair ma one in the name of Banetino. Only Yakola in P. Then now all will be back. Some chance all who are being. Or the old one or come, you can and I'm trying to say. Se onim no ani owo ho ne badem ha no say a obehunu sama bodam entima onye mistake ene obi a em mafie ho no pata wuti ni tie pa
ena afa ye no didi musa me na fna 10 years ni o eno didi musa fa baba won kwala teri me na woteri we je di say o ma me man 300 Ghana e man 300 Ghana no kwala ne fidi fi nyina was atara ne Ghana ni and you may be a was sending with Yanni. I'm a was not catching me say, maybe one would be I'm never to say, Mamma Crafty and Chan with your honor. No, I catch them saying one would be Waka first man for not as them. I said to was like I'm the mention and I'm the one with your no say something. Made that say much so. Now, who will be telling Ghana and then remove a man, sir. Who did every evening, we're going with Fiam, and I paid the do with Fiam, say. And why should you say, sir, tell me Ghana the man, and there was soon the whole month. You know, Colombian Sunday, woman, meaning now. Because of so much I say, mentor seminar, mentor was important, and I was saying to me, so but apart from what it's can be my only she, gas is some filling gas with your home. Me everything, I'm top your water, be beer, consume to be beer, can collect it from chocolate for this thing in our mom. What I was saying, will be beer, somebody say no, or don't man, I take up. It's what I want to say, my papa, who has you can. It's a man, it's a Pama minister, I meant to say. It's a man, I might have a still and me when you come on as us, the man, papa, no one has them, me one is intimate with you, me never you. Because of that, your man, or don't article. I say, the money be brave, but meeting in our function, be brave. Aha, so.
Yeah. Na meba say no I mean bisa asa question you den na ususu say eye reason ntia obema wa na on ti otimi ka say obi banti no pie na ana pretend as you say che say mo ware
o pe adwuma it's ma get no so we bia na get na mo ma get no say oni yire in the honor ma like manena and Catasubia and Jammy P. Coy. It's not my James say, Biana, new we in Sophie say, Bia, Benin, we ain't no Esano. It's no bone pine and Madam Fair Fun and Bewoye. And what's your number? Not Obana say a bar. o sa ka tansi na kwala ni mpiem free dan ni na yen kwa bonten no wo na san be dem wo biem
me ba wo eye the same oba na no san ba biem no
the same oba na
oh eye nti ye beto aso ebre no ko yemfa last one enka ho na yene counselor enwie bibia na asem hello
Adom.
Yes boss me pacho saying
Pacho you na ozwe
Adom ninti eye pa
we dey radin shiramu pa
yenti unso wasem ade na
Dagari my sister Bina ono nso na sem ha me panti no pese me fanto council nim ti bia bi nya ho akwankyira mene na kwa so na ordinance mbi tu mani efo ni obema one na wo nkwala miensa na mu no ye operation
enye ni kunu
dabi
Jim FM
one na wo nkwala miensa ni na mu ye operation nti amadi sia no ontumi ye adwuma ebi o ko adwuma na ade no ontumi nko ana obema no so titi ne saa na mimi ye nhwehwemu kakra no akwese na busuafo ne benefit free obema no nchen nti ama se okoka na asem kura obi amfi no mimi say no ma wewe mu ama me pastor kurati me pastor ka kire me say asem na da ona so chen nti mi ntwi mi hu free by brejeri obema no tumeti ti obeya ama se okọ adwuma kura ana se oba na ekọ ba bia na obema na chinsin public na wakọbu no oba ya ye no operation miensa ho atoto aso na wakọbu no wabontin sese ni na mu no ukoka oba ne maame no oda nanum ayi so na yesise ya na eja obi eja managu obekọ oba ne fie no na obema no ehye ho oba ne maame mu na eti obema ne fie bet na obekọ chese everyday bia obema dan kura ohan bie ochi obema ne maame so akwa chese bi oye sebi house boy wo fie menina kase tunufu se onwale because bible say onwale a na nyankopon be hira wo kan na oda woda ne chese ni suban basa amo oba no waka kire me se sa na etia kuro bekum no chese maya me pekwan na ndeje nyame adom a meti radio ho a wo de sa se mo ya to de na me bisa se kwan ba na ebetumi afa na ya boa sister no because waka kire me se obekum no
there be chere sende on all right minua yedase ene de won de buy right anti yene counselor Oscar 3P ebedin kita ho na yahwe ensem amanfo de ato yanimu ene da yi no ekwan a yede befa so hello me say Elisu counselor na sign more beam dress okay all right so we'll try and establish that nafi ye dey atwaso ensem bi ha eto da yesa apekra na amawa boto ya fa ba ku mienu me ensa bi mfam na afi ye ne counselor emewiwi ne kra e patro ne so benya bonus wo mobile phones na bonus no unhunu de wo de ye ana ya fi ne church restrictions wo ho ne ade no enye bonus papa any Airtel Tigo so on your mount bonus no conditions be any you decide what to use that bonus for so the back casa now the back browser and you'll be to me there it's over to you Obabe enjoy an amazing 100 MB data every month for 6 months on top of all that Airtel Tigo rating so they're 10 pesos per for all calls and data it's me and your dog. Get your Airtel SIM card right now. Reload, get your bonus, and talk and browse. Airtel Tigo. One big family. Right, the uncle Manaso. Na yene counselor Oscar 3P and Trouser. Hello, counselor. Hello. Hello. Oh, okay, let me say. And tutu muye. Hello. Yeah, counselor me patcho we dey me say komo yi na wasugu so an sa wate ensemu bibiri na eja yen hwe ekwan ya ebitimi dia fa so
first of all the customer no see a boo bia you can
Councilor Pacho, Dan ho kakra man na say line no cut bi say etwetwasi.
Na me ka say last one no ka say.
Yeah.
No ka say. For okuka
ɔse na busuafo no I say oba na busuafo no benefit free be man ho ntino.
Because they are benefiting from the man.
Yeah.
Oh, they are not taking any action. And it was a full no down. But I was a warrior. Not because you have benefit, you can.
This line. Council, let me say line on share down to 2 years, Papa. Patrol, me and drop it on a sign for back now. You say a bay kakra. You better have free councillor back now. Share that now. Patrol, we will be a we use GT Bank, Visa, and I say MasterCard. And then Patrol, get ready for some exciting rewards. September Bosumi Mui, GT Bank rewarded over 35 customers with amazing cash prizes and a fake gadgets outdoor in the Visa and MasterCard spend and win promotion. Very simple, just shop online and I say in store on POS devices with your GT Bank MasterCard and Visa debit or prepaid card and be rewarded with cash prizes of $400 shopping voucher. PAS, Samsung, flagship mobile phones, near there, any tablets, bit me out there. For every week of the month, the better selected winners, based on the number of transactions performed during the month and the value of these, transactions, so a counted. Sounds my bit me I pick your Visa and I say MasterCard during this promo and I say period for free. You are Brian Joshi. Now what you say be also bit me any opportunity now check the outdoor edition on set me account audio. Patron for further inquiries for 050-4100-145 and a fee 050-144-9490. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? All right. Yes, I councillor one man so
let me can say Baku can say bono.
Yeah.
And he said, obi boa and assault. You should be able to go and report. Yes. One now to promote me. It is obi bold dear in a relationship. If the person is physically abusing you,
yeah.
Also to me reporting the family. But
Councillor, Mami Bisao, where do you start from? Because I say they don't even know how to go about some of these things. Say they are obi relationship, very, very abusive one, of course. Yeah, bono. Onipakono. Where does he or she starts from? So you're in a
relationship. You are being physically abused. Because those abuse, you can even abuse somebody financially. Okay. You can abuse somebody emotionally. You can abuse somebody sexually. So if the person is abusing you physically, go to the nearest police station and go and report.
Okay.
Because who did go? One anybody born out of mobile. Relationship now that you are fighting for, it's gone.
Yeah.
And the person can go and be with another person. So if you are being abused in a relationship physically, call reporting it.
Okay.
Not police from them. So that they can know say no. Yes, we need a relationship, but who won't need it and then a physical abuse. But all the situation now one independent boa with me. Now the family members must come in. No more instead of benefiting financially from the guy, Because if you Busiano, Busebiano, the Mobile will be not the Bianipano, Sika, and Nam Nipan anymore. It will be Bianipano Mumubu. Yes. The family loses its respect. And now, only be nam. Now, if you Busimu, Namun Miska, you don't depend on that person too much. I know you don't depend on that person.
Yeah.
Your family should be able to keep their respect, even if they don't have anything to eat. So on that score, America,
okay,
because that person is being abused physically, uncle report it.
Okay.
Now, Obisu can say no, ni guy been nam, and I went to me and worry no.
Yeah.
And then guy niko worry obi. And my sister no guy no, person oba back. Na ni won't train no. And she feels the guy ni bit me abuano, right?
Yeah.
Oh. The moment you know Binam, not for whatever reason, when you are worried, now Obia call separate ways, no more worry. Now only funny later, and you think that because you have been in a relationship with a person before, no, you can do anything with the person. No, what you must understand is that you are either sleeping with somebody's wife or you are sleeping with somebody's husband. Listen carefully. Abna ni kwame nam. No person mo worry. For whatever reason, no, our entity ambasso.
Yeah.
Kwame akọ worry. Be abna worry and as abna so worry. Even if you are having challenges in your relationship, no. If you begin to have an amorous relationship with that person, nipa na nka no person worry no. They also tia say and nipa ni status assistant. Or you'll be kum or you'll be here. And it's everything because the person was your former boyfriend. No, you can still go out with the person and your former girlfriend. No, what you are doing in fact is that you are sleeping with somebody's wife or somebody's husband.
But counselor, in a situation where a beer or mumianu nan obia call and see yamano tibemano wako jaware obano so coin and ko yamano so wako jaware, and then they see it say they were better off earlier than the current relationship or no more anko yina. Can they come back? Hello, counselor. Hello. I read the line of phone line in Nimway cry. I say, counselor line assign a drop beam. A best answer say, a bit me assign I can't abumua. Now, me first day I remind you say, Presec at 80 anniversary grand deb and also a basso den Yamea Adom on Saturday, the 15th of September 2018, our Presec School Grounds, 10 a.m. prompt. And a Jumedian Basso, Chairman, Right Honorable Professor Mike Okwe, and our face special guest of honor here, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic. Obano making sure so be share Presec at 80th anniversary cloth no. Na bibia so edim fefefe kama. Hello, Councillor.
The make can say. Se onu obi nam. Na mo ntumi anware. Na mo kono bia ko ware na ware na nye yi. Whatever it is, na mo hia na mo ware a. E different from say bia nipa no oko ware ye. But the only problems we are ware ni mu. No, see, because of wounding, because me don't na me ntumi anware ntumi, me ba be jai me kunu, and me jai me na ma be ware wa. Because of wounding, we are ware. And God will hold you responsible for that. Because the fact of being your problems will not worry you church or worry you. But the Nippon can say, oh, and I'm Kwame, one got me worry you, and I'm into my worry, Mako worry by my way, and I say, I may brewa worry, and because me brewa worry, me who see, I know I also worry. The person minimum couldn't die, and I'm person minimum here die. When that marriage collapses, God will hold you responsible. Because and I'm untunti obiawari. So what you say?
Me tell say pa counselor.
In the Bible, it says what God has put together, let no man put asunder. But say you say o nipa na kasa wakona nti anye yi. Also wakona nti anye yi. We share on a different grounds na mo dia bawaria. And we are different.
Okay.
But the nipa ni see o aware na me wo ni minya problems. But when I'm a dog, can person who about our number says, see, and I mean, problems number me who dear. And the Minja Mikunami, and I mean, you dear. Also, who say, won't you be our you? And God will hold you responsible.
Yeah, some more.
And yeah, some sound, my brother. I didn't a friend, I worried womb. I didn't a worry no. Yeah. A dear young couple was super.
Jim FM.
a institution and Yankuponi was so papa. It's in the Bible, see, so person be worry, men worry. Yes, I worry you by force. Nobody is forcing anybody to go and marry. And don't allow anybody to force you to go and marry. But the moment you are certain say you want to be in that institution, you must be able to keep the sanctity of the marriage. You must be able to keep the sanctity of marriage. And now, why soon you are being was super. And then you did the Agosta. Who the idea why the Agosta? Nakuba wants you to be the Agro.
Councillor, I share a lady in Sudia. On a Berman, our
but we saw not a school. And a rape should be more so.
Yeah.
And now, or warrior. And now, Berman is, I think Berman is so, or so, a second wife or something.
Actually, no, on it, or no, see, we and actually on a Berman for France, so Ashes our in but Berman and I would too. But later, no one say, later, no one say, Berman,
need my permission.
Yeah.
You see, I don't know, say, only the Berman in Namano. Be a Berman catch any say, or ye, and a still. Or ye not use of the wire, no.
Also,
one fun to out.
But no, also no names a Berman our.
Now the fact say own him before a wire Nippon, Nanipan say, won't say, or ye, no. Also, won't say, see a Nippon wire, they will deceive you into marriage. And I walk out plan the hearing chain, and I hope baby beer. And I'll say, just my wife, I'm not permission.
Yeah.
What the person is telling you to say, I don't respect you. All do I know? It's straightforward. That man only now, first of all, one catch up was all year.
Yeah.
Now you have come to know so all year. Now to add salt to injury, you know, or say, oh, baby beer, or not to mean country. Just so could be Sunday, and the my permission, the other money, you have my permission for my. The Nipani catcher will say, I don't respect you. And the Nipani, you must take a decision. In any case, do you want to be a second wife? No. If you know, you move on. Because for how long can you continue to say Nipano, oh baby beer, and in every relationship, no, and now Arabiano, there should be what I call mutual respect. Ubumi, Mizumi boo. But according to Nipano Mu, who baby be a chief and you didn't have my permission, dear. And the miniaba, ending. Count your losses and move on with your life. But for how long are you going to be in this? I won't be a chief and you didn't have my approval.
You, Councillor, yen fat way finally now, say a brain quacker. They are also so on a Berman, I worry all right. But Utimika Chen said, not down for be a barber son, or not down for buy a benty. Where ye your wedding pictures near Fidemo. I catch your ban say, won't take you off the wedding ring. Said the bear visitor Obana Urbano, who said Bearman Awarina, or per se Urbana Buano to secure a particular job with Binti. This one, no.
It is a Nipani Bawa. No, I catch the only in a ring. I
was say Obani in a ring. Now, for your wedding pictures in the arsenal, or no Bearman in the demo.
Just visitor.
And you know, Obana just say, oh, yeah, from the beginning, but not only him say, eh, Biana, because on would need to Bearman or Tatum, but later on, oh, you know, Obana signed by being the same woman. Emma, this time round, Bearman catch her and say, on any banning PMF demo on court, said they are the same woman about who say he's married.
Woman about Munchana.
No, she comes for a visit and will leave.
Okay, so this is my advice. Unconfronted woman, and say, only the Kundian relationship with a woman. Unconfronted woman. The other one is say, Niku catches a woman, only the banning P, no in rings are. She shouldn't do it. No, should be basic. One, unconfronted woman, no miss and say, only Kundian relationship with a woman. That's one. Two, anytime I come instructions say, woman, only the banning P, and I said the rings near the ocean on year. She shouldn't do it.
Okay.
She shouldn't do it. No, should be basic. Because yes, I own an American in every relationship and marriage, there should be mutual respect. Ubumi, me boo. But you see, sometimes I'm up for relationship more. Not quite one-sided. Now, because it's only forcing Nippon no. Oh, BBA also making sure the relationship major. BBA also making sure that we're in Virginia. Then what is that? We are not supposed to be in that relationship. It is this time Nick look at and say, because somebody is coming, only in the ring, nobody in Pia. So, Timia, she shouldn't do it. She should disobey the husband.
Okay.
No, she did this. No comfortable woman, no miss and say, Papa na, I don't catch a woman say, Papa na uban in Cheno, me and Erin. Ma worry me, any non shady ABC.
Okay.
Because I was quite to say, the beer could be an offer. The beer could be an offer, what you know, ye. We any palisa. Not quite his own force, our person why in the pan. And in relationship and in marriage, you know, there should be mutual respect. Who boom me, boo, me do. And yes, I mean, I'm a dog. Me and one of them may be a relationship, and that's how I need engineer. The woman should not obey that instruction. She should disobey it and confront that woman and tell her, say, Papa will not drown.
Okay. Councillor, I am friends here because of time. Tina, the Akano, Yabeka was na. Answer no say if you didn't mind now the number no betu bia na amount for atimia contact na mo bia hu bia so de abo mo anka ye ni beji hu sapa
ne o beze meda o
ya se wo ya se because we say we ni say ye ko no afi course no omo de beta time no ye program kra 2-3 days kra no
on the ujani
dio de edi council just say o just add this one man na say so ye fashion next week o ba na ye ni na so ato aso so de
nyame adma next week me ba.
Okay, all right, no problem. Yeah, that's a pa. You be a jo so.
Before me call for no, obi anti aware at the papa. The problems we are having is the say yemu bebre yen wari yi. The foundations of a lot of the marriages in the relationship no, they have been compromised.
Okay.
The second one is amafu wari yi. They are not able to keep the sanctity of the marriage. Oh, this is a warrior now. You look at the promise system, electrical system. You maintain the house. Other than that, they can give you a very good house in any of the expensive locations in Accra. The next 5 years, one year, if you know, in Kofu Debris, the foundations of a lot of marriages have been compromised. And then you are not able to keep the sanctity of the marriage. These two extremes, you know, how we marry and the way we marry, how we keep the marriage, you know. And now my baby do be on bed now, Mr. The way program.
Yeah.
What's the abroad sign? A foundation of the building, and I'm at the
yeah.
So in your relationship, you know, and in life, you know, how far you go depends on your foundation.
Solid.
The same way, you know. In marriage, how far the marriage travels, you know, depends on the foundations of the marriage.
Wow.
The way of warrior.
Wow.
And one of these days, you know, we'll talk about the way a man for warrior. You must be brilliant warrior. One warrior, no.
All right.
Oh, warrior, make sure that you are maintaining the marriage.
Okay.
Keep your warrior. Maintain the sanctity of the marriage. You cannot marry and be having emotional attachment with your ex, and you want the marriage to work. It will not work.
All right. Oh, she also counselor. Whether I say, counselor Oscar Supi and I, you know, a tree and Komoi na or boy and yes, you, our dear friends, our Simpi. Benjamin, rather, Breno Coenchibia, the get your sports bet to us with the amount quickly and fast. I can see my prosperous on my boy, my ETA, Futu Samuel, Ofie Kwanso, so on your voter catch fresh tilapia. Honor be not tilapia, proper dear, honor dear, tilapia, no how be a near tree, a safe, a healthy. Now, you know, the highest operational standards. They are not in compliance with Food and Drugs Authority, NFA, Environmental Protection Agency, NFA, Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture. Requirements and laws nina. You do super pepe. Banabe said that fishes near the idea. Antibiotics near the just say yes, ship some bay come pass the bay Korea on your hobby. And you can just say, Bia come say. It's yet to say, oh, petlapia, papa paddy. Yow, how be any chidia? Maninya voter catch fresh tilapia. Motorway roundabout one do any action Michelle Cam Quasono, Sabikum Suana, ya walk. I feel be Pimo Newtons, where Malatamaket, your Kaswa, your Kumasin, of a Takra, any other accredited agents across the country. If I show it to me, a friend, I watch shame, baby, I walk. Yeah, I can say bet show a voter catch depot and I say agent a bell. Now I could GBO 0544 346 967. I feel 0544 346 976. As they do be on the friend no ma Zoatem malaria a drosronko ya wunya bia eboa etu malaria area say e ma hoto e sign two active ingredients e omuniti no eboa tu ase entempa within 24 hours obi a malaria abubu na gu o be san sore giant na so bi now on the third day we be checking on na malaria parasite ni na apam ni na afiu system ni mo your Zoatem suspension one mo no de e kura excellent orange flavor yeah man no de emrede mammo fra kra 24 de na Zoatem fort na face Zoatem DS. Yeah, and on the iron in such a way, say, oh no, me quickly. It absorbs into your system. Tentem now. Say, Benny bit me, my son. About real quick at the amount. Oh, yeah, nursing mother, and I say, pregnant woman, me patch up men, no Zoatem. A dray can was him be just say, one who Dr. Mao, go ahead and say, bye. When you be out to pharmacy shops, how do you name one across the country? The door pan there. Tap Apple Healthcare Limited. Community 25 our Health Plaza building. Fraser 20 431 0031. Afe 055 000 5363. Now on the Edding Town. One more look and the race get fabulous. Reverend Bernard Amankwa. One more step. One more step. Me pacho me ba na fe the irrigated sports at waso.